I got the SKYLEO LED desk lamp sent to me to make a video about. All right, let me go ahead and show you how I got this thing all set up. Here's everything that comes in the box. Comes with a remote control. You even get a power brick to plug in the USB cord. And then it comes with the bracket. It has a screw clip to connect to the back of your desk and another screw on top to screw into the pole for the light. The base of the light has some threads in it so that you can screw it to the base. And then the top looks like you just pull the cord through. And just pull it through there like that. And then get this to the point to where we can screw it in. Just get the thread lined up and screw that in. And then this looks like it bends really nice, so you can get it to any shape you want. So that's pretty cool. And then same thing here. We'll just screw this onto the bottom. And then I'll loosen this up a little bit so that there will be plenty of room to, oh, wrong way. Then I'll loosen this up a little bit so there'll be plenty of room to put this on the back of my desk. All right, now it's all set up. I can just put it on my desk. The clip is really nice because you just screw it onto the bottom of your desk with the clamp, so you don't have to worry about screws or anything like that, so that's pretty nice. I just got it lined up even with the back of my monitor. This is flexible, so you can move it however you want. And then these also move, so you can adjust these so you can put them at an angle like that. So you can just kind of move this however you want, and you can move these around too. So I think that looks pretty good, nice and straight. And then I'll get out the power cord, the USB cord, and plug it in. So you can use the brick that comes with it. It's got the nice USB-A power brick, or you can just plug this into your power supply if you have a USB port. I have a USB-A port on my power supply, so I just went ahead and plugged it in there. Kind of running out of room back here for the brick, so that worked out good for me. Got a power button on the top. There it is. Here's the instructions on how to screw everything together, and then there's the clamp, and then the USB-A and the USB-A power brick. And then it shows the power button on the top, and then there's the remote control with all the different features. You got your on-off, your mode, your timer, your reading, and your brightness. And then it shows all the different features, the power, there's all the different information. And then there's all the different color settings, your brightness and your temperature. It looks like the remote requires some AAA batteries. You just push this on the back to release it, and then you can put your AAA batteries in. All right, we got our new batteries in. So we'll go ahead and test it out. There we go, it powers on and off. And then it's got a mode button. So we can change to the little bit different modes. There's a nice light for nighttime if you want to just have a little bit of light on your desk. It's really nice to have a light like that. And then if you want a lighter light for reading and stuff, you can go ahead and adjust it. There's also a brightness on here, so you can make it dimmer. Like if we go all the way down and just have a little bit of light, or go really bright so we can really see. So yeah, it's nice that it comes with a remote. And you get all of these different color and brightness features too. You don't have to use the remote to change it. You can also use the power button on the top of the lamp. It's got a power button, and if you just tap it, it'll change to the different modes. So it's pretty nice that you can change it that way. I like how it has the beeps too, so that way you know you've changed it. And then if you want to turn it off, you just hold it down, and then it powers off, and then just tap it to turn it back on. Pretty nice. I got the curtain closed, so now it's kind of dark in here, so we'll turn that back up. So you can see how bright it gets. Now it's really brightened things up. And then there it is with it off. You can see how much nicer it is to have a nice desk lamp. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. I like how you can change all the different modes on it too. I like that one. That one's my favorite. All right, there you go. There's a SKYLEO LED desk lamp. Yeah, if you're looking for a desk lamp for your desk, this is a pretty nice one.